Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing the zodiac sign of the month makeup, that is Capricorn, that just started yesterday. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Joanna and I do all kinds of makeup and beauty videos, so consider subscribing. But if you want to see how I did this entire look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I just started by doing my brows with a shade that is a little bit light for me, but I actually thought it would go nicely with this look. And I've also primed my lids with the Kiko Neutral Light base. And if I sound very nasal, that's because I'm sick. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it's pouring rain out there. Starting this look, I'm obviously going to do my eyes. And on my search, the Capricorn color palette was very brown and black, also a few gray, but when I think of Capricorn, I basically think a very earthy sign. So I basically think brown and black, and I wanted to use a classic palette for this look. So I'm using the first Soph collaboration with Revolution because this has really nice neutral colors like these two browns and also the black, and also a few lighter ones like this one and this one. So I want to start with this shade and use it to create kind of a soft transition. Also bringing it a little bit out. Now I want to intensify my crease and I'm going to use this shade here. I'm starting with the brown and I'm using this one that is a more warm tone, as this one is more cool toned. I'm using this one. I'm starting on the outer corner, but then I'm going to blend it onto the crease. And I'm also taking this one out. And I'm doing a V shape. On the center of my lid, I'm using this shade, and then closer to the inner corner, I'm using this one. And I'm just using a little bit more of this one to blend the edge, like on this part. Now you could add a black wing liner to this look, but I want something more simple. So I'm taking the black eyeshadow and I'm just smudging it really close to my lash line. Kind of see the difference that makes compared to this eye that still doesn't have the black. Now for my lashes I want volume, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. Now I'm going to do my foundation and concealer powder off camera. I'm going to use the Kiko Skin Tone Foundation, the Maybelline Age Rewind, and the Primark Banana Pressed Powder. Okay, so my base is all done, and moving on to bronzer. I'm using this one from Freedom, that is a matte bronzer. For my foundation, I went for a little bit more lightweight because, again, Capricorn gives me a very natural vibe. For blush, I'm also using something very brown and neutral. I'm using the Givenchy Prism blush in the shade Fashionista Brown, and I'm mixing all the colors together. Highlighter, I'm also using the Soph collaboration with Revolution, and I'm using the gold shade. Also using the gold shade to highlight my brow bone and also my inner corner. To finish my lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade all over, and then the brown closer to the outer corner. Now with this look on the waterline, it would go very well with a black pencil. But today I want to do something different. So I'm using this Khol Kajal pencil from LIDL, and this is a brown one. As you can see, this is a lot more subtle, and on my lower lash line I'm just going to take the L'Oreal mascara. And for my lips I also want something brown. I'm taking this Primark Saint or Sinner lip vinyl. So I think this is probably not available anymore, but it's basically a brown liquid lipstick, but very glossy, not a matte one. To set this look, I'm using the Fix and Perfect, also from Primark. Okay, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love the combination of this lipstick with the eyeshadow. And if you want to make it a little bit more dramatic, you can obviously add that winged liner, add some false lashes, or even go for a black lipstick. But I personally feel like this is very Capricorn. It's very earthy and neutral and natural and nature-y. So if you liked this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if Capricorn is your zodiac sign, and if it's not, I have a whole playlist. I am only 3 videos away from completing this series, not counting this one. I still have Aquarius, Pisces and Aries. So if you'd like to see those, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel in the red button down below for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And on my next video, I'm going to have my beauty empties for the second half of 2019. So stay tuned for that, and that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.